Hello guys and welcome back again by today's new crypto daily update video, and there is much happening in the charts right now, so it's gonna be a real excited one because there are so many chances in the market right now after we dumped on yesterday. But let's dive right away into the charts right now to discuss those chances and those setups. First of all, a chart I really want to be pointing out here is we have a really important resistance line above us, which we are currently testing. Every time we touch that line, we got a move down. Every single time. But now it's maybe different, because if we really are strong enough to gain this point, retest it again, and flip it into support, we can see a significant move towards the upside. But it's really something you want to keep in mind here, because it's also a big possibility to reject from this line to see another move down towards the green line, the support line here. And that's good cause for a Bitcoin from above around 100k again. So pretty excited to see what price will do with this resistance line, and maybe we can flip it into support and we will have sure some upside here. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on this chart, because I think if we break this one towards the upside, we will see a 111k Bitcoin immediately. So pretty excited to watch on that chart here. Also, what I want to be pointing out here is that we have a big resistance line on the top. Let me remove this one. On the top here, and I marked it with red dots here. And every time we tapped that zone or that line, we got a move down. And we tapped it and we got a move down. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Again, let me zoom into this here. But every time we tapped into it, we started here. It was even the start of the bear market. It was 54%. Here it was a dump of approximately 30%. And now we tapped it and we saw a dump of approximately 10%. Does this mean we need to go down further? No, of course not. But it is something to keep in mind, that if you are longing in this region above here, you're longing against a very, very big resistance line that is above you. So that is why I want to be pointing out this chart. Can we see a break towards the upside? That will be massive, because that is a trend line of approximately 4 years that will be broken here. But the only thing I want to be pointing out here is you're longing into resistance, and that's no problem. But please keep an eye on that one. And also, if we break this one, this is very bullish, and you can open very, very big trades on this trend line here. Then structure-wise, still nothing really changed there, because yesterday I discussed too that we want to make a higher high from off this lower high again. I marked it with a blue zone here, and we need to gain that blue zone here, test it back, and move further on towards the upside to shift the trend towards the upside, which is exactly what you want to be seeing here. So please make sure to keep an eye on that one. For now, what you still expect is maybe a lower high here and then a new lower low afterwards, unless you gain this high, retest it, and move further towards the upside. So pretty excited to see what will happen with that one. And also, we swept a lot of liquidity out of the market, and that's exactly what you want to be seeing. That means that people are not in the markets anymore, and that's what price wants before it moves big. For now, we have just a little range here creating into resistance, our higher low area here, and we see some liquidity stacking on the upside. So I really want to point out here that it is a pretty high chance that we will get a spike towards the upside to take all the people out of the market and then move a little bit towards the downside. That's usually what happens, so please keep an eye on that one, that you don't get faked out by the market here, because it's a high probability that you will pump towards this level and then maybe slightly go back towards the downside and then push through. So please keep an eye on that one as well. Then if you look at the Ethereum Bitcoin charts, it's a pretty exciting chart. We had resistance on the top side, support on the lower side, but now we are breaking out. But there is one thing I really want to be pointing out here. The breakout is not that strong. In fact, it's so weak here. So I really think that this isn't a real breakout. If we saw a breakout with much volume, that was maybe a breakout where you could trade it and flip your Ethereum over into Bitcoin. But for now, this doesn't look as a real breakout here. So I expect maybe that we will consolidate around the support level and maybe gain it towards the upside. Or we will get volume into the markets again here, and that means that we have a real breakdown, which could cause to at least a drop to this point, and that's a drop of approximately 7.5% here. So please keep an eye on that one. For now, I don't worry about this chart. If you get much volume into the breakdown, then it's something you could anticipate on here. Then as we look on Ethereum, yeah, we're just ranging here. And we have resistance on the top side. Every time we tap it, the price moves down. We have support on the lower side. Every time we taps it, price moves up towards the upside. And for now, also a thing I want to be pointing out, and that's also what you can see on the ETH Bitcoin chart here, is the bounce of Ethereum or the bounce of let me get this chart of the bounce or of Bitcoin. If it loads here, the bounce of Bitcoin is way sharper here. So what did we saw? We saw a massive move down and we got a V-shaped recovery towards the upside. If you look at Ethereum here on the hour time frame, it is way less strong, the bounce, than Bitcoin. So that's something you really want to keep an eye on, because we are on Bitcoin at this level already. Well, at Ethereum, we are not even the half of the breakdown towards downside here. So that's something I really want to keep an eye on, because Bitcoin just has more strength right now. So let's see how it will play out in the future. So for now, yeah, it's pretty easy. You can expect some movement towards the upside now, unless we get a breakdown towards the downside or break out towards the upside here, and then you can anticipate on it very, very well. So also with the range, it's pretty important to know that there are a lot of people short on the upside and a lot of people long towards the downside. So a fake out towards the upside or the downside is a pretty likely scenario here. So please keep an eye on that one. Then something which is very bullish for Ethereum here. Ethereum has a recorded 9 consecutive days of inflows, bringing in total new capital over approximately $500 million here. And this is a very, very good sign, because institutions show confidence into the Ethereum ETF, so in Ethereum, and also in the future of Ethereum. So it's a pretty good sign that big companies, big institutional investors are investing into the ETF of Ethereum. So yeah, I think Ethereum is just getting started here, and I think we will laugh at prices of 2.5K at the end of this bull run, but in 10 years we will laugh at it, because I really think Ethereum can hit 10,000 US dollars easily here. So yeah, I'm so bullish on Ethereum right now, and this is also another sign that Ethereum is just getting started here. So please make sure to do your own analysis on Ethereum, but I think it's a really good project to put your money in besides Bitcoin here. And then for now, please make sure to follow me over on YouTube, because I'm uploading daily update videos here and you will never miss a move again if you follow me over on YouTube. I'm literally sharing trade setups here, so you could make money of it, of my daily videos, literally. So please make sure to follow me and subscribe me over on YouTube, and follow me over on X here to never miss updates throughout the day. And I'm also posting setups here that I'm literally taking and sharing, whole transparency. So please make sure to follow me over on these socials, and then I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto daily update video.